Welcome back to Amazing Home Hacks. Today I'm going to share a few hacks on how to transform a perfectly good but quite outdated bathroom vanity into something that's right back on track. There are over 50 amazing home hack videos waiting for you on my channel, so hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of them. Now let's get started. You don't need a plumber, you don't need a carpenter, and you certainly don't need a new vanity to update your bathroom in less than a weekend. This will be a very economical transformation that will cost less than $60. The first hack is to use chalk paint. This paint is like magic. It doesn't need the surface to be primed or otherwise prepared. Just wipe it clean of dirt and oil and you're ready to go. This type of paint also covers all sorts of previous finishes without the need of a primer or other special surface preparation products. 1 liter is more than enough to refinish 2 vanities, so partner up with a friend and give each other a hand completing this easy value-add improvement to a couple of old vanities. There are several brands of chalk paint. This one is from Rust-Oleum and it works great. It comes in a variety of colors, it's very low odor, and cleans up with soap and water. Hack number 2 is to remove the doors before you start. It might seem like an unnecessary extra step, but it's a simple matter to take them off by removing just a few screws. Laying them on a flat surface to paint them will let you get the job done a lot faster with less chance of paint drips. Be sure to update the door handles and knobs. You can spend a small fortune on cabinet knobs if you want to, but hack number 3 is to replace them at very little cost by looking for bulk packs either at your home center or online. I bought a pack of 25 knobs for less than $1.50 each. Plenty for this vanity, and other iron refinishing with the same paint. Hack number 4 is don't worry about the old holes in the doors and the drawers. Just fill them up with a bit of pre-made hole filler, and once sanded smooth and painted over, you'll never see them. Now it's time to get to work with a paintbrush. I suggest you invest in a decent round sash brush. A cheap paintbrush is great for spreading glue or for a small job that's not in a high visibility area. But for a bathroom vanity, it's good to get a good quality brush. These round sash brushes hold lots of paint, give you good control, and they clean up with soap and water, so you get lots of use out of it. The chalk paint spreads quite evenly. I painted these outdoors on a warm day and the paint dried very quickly. Now it took 3 coats to completely cover the previous brown color. But I used less than half a can to paint the doors, the drawer fronts, and any of the panels that remained attached to the vanity. Painting the vanity was such a quick job, there's plenty of time left over to paint the walls of this bathroom a nice blue color before reinstalling the doors. It takes only a few minutes to reinstall the door fronts, and they're ready for the new handles. And here comes hack number 5. Make a jig using a piece of scrap cardboard that has the holes marked precisely. You can ensure the holes you drill for the new handles are in the exact spot you need them, and they will be uniform from door to door. This is a great weekend project you can accomplish. It doesn't require a lot of carpentry or plumbing skills, and it yields incredible results. Thanks for watching Amazing Home Hacks, and hit the like button if this was helpful, and subscribe so you don't miss any episodes.